Michael Doherty, 37 from Batley, was convicted over the killing of Courtney Angus, who was attacked shortly before her 21st birthday party. The court heard Doherty met Courtney days before the incident and later targeted her after she rejected his advances. He was found guilty of murder and other serious offences linked to the attack. The case involved deeply distressing evidence, and Courtney's family described her as a beautiful young woman whose life was taken too soon. Edward Holden, 36 from Penzance, has been charged with murder and rape following the death of a woman in her 80s at a property in Ashton, near Helston. Officers were called to the address shortly after midnight on May 29th, where the woman was found deceased. Holden was arrested as part of the investigation and has been remanded in custody. He is due to appear before Truro Magistrates' Court as inquiries into the circumstances of the woman's death continue. Warren Conn has been jailed for 14 years after a woman found a distressing 25-minute recording on an old mobile phone. Investigators found Conn had recorded a serious assault on the woman while living in Sandwich, Kent, and further digital evidence confirmed additional offending. Officers later arrested him in County Armagh and seized phones and a laptop. Further checks uncovered illegal child images. Conn was returned to Kent, where the case continued through court proceedings. Mary Ann Measles was 13 when she disappeared from a supermarket car park in Connecticut while her mother was shopping. Her disappearance in October 1997 led to a major investigation after she was later found dead. Authorities said Mary Ann had suffered serious abuse by older men before she was abducted and killed. The case devastated her family and community and later resulted in 8 convictions connected to the crimes committed against her. Donald Excel, 49, has been jailed for life with a minimum term of 31 years after being convicted of murdering his cousin, Rita Lambourne, 58, at her home in Bexhill. The court heard Excel was seen on CCTV approaching the property in February 2025 before carrying out the fatal attack. Police described the case as extremely distressing. Excel left shortly afterwards and was later brought before court, where he received a life sentence. Yuri Muzyka, 34, stalked his former partner Helena Hoyson before killing her at her flat in Greenwich, South London. The court heard Muzyka had used a tracker hidden in their daughter's scooter to monitor her movements. Helena, also known as Lena, had previously reported him for violence, harassment, and stalking, while a non-molestation order was in place. On August 27th last year, Muzyka forced his way into her home and carried out the fatal attack.